Your Platinum MN 1000 comes with preloaded designs on your machine. To select one of these designs, select the file icon on screen, then select the icon that has a flower and a lock next to it. Then select one of the above designs. The preview of your design will show up in the bottom left corner. Select OK when you have selected your design. To load a design from a USB stick to your Platinum MN 1000, select the File button on screen, then make sure you're on the USB icon. Select a design from above. The preview of the design will show on the bottom left. Load it to your machine with the icon that has the machine and an arrow next to it. Once it is loaded to the machine, select the machine icon above. Then select your design that you just loaded, and then select OK. To select the correct needle order of your design, you must first know the order of which your design will stitch out. The best way to do this is to print out a color chart from your Premiere Plus 2 Intro software. This will tell you the order of which the colors will stitch out, so you know what needle to stitch when. To select the order of which the needles will stitch out, reference your color chart from the Premiere Plus 2 software, then select the icon with 3 spools. Once this is selected, you will choose the number of the needle that you want to stitch out in order. For this, we will be starting with needle 6, then we will go to 4, then 8, then 2, then 3, then 7. Press OK when you have made your selection. To adjust your designs on screen, select the Design Set button. From here you can adjust the width of your design, the height of your design. You can rotate your design by 90 degrees. You can rotate your design by degree. You can multiply your design horizontally. You can multiply your design vertically. You can adjust the space in between the multiplied designs horizontally, and you can adjust the space in between the designs vertically. You can also adjust the density of your design and select the hoop. All of the hoops listed are the included hoops with your machine. You also have an Other button to select the size of a different hoop. Press OK to see your adjustments on screen and select the X to return to the previous menu. To move your design on screen, use the arrow buttons in the Embroidery Edit screen. If your design goes outside of the hoop, the outline of the hoop will become red. Simply move your design to move it back into the hoop. This bar comes with your machine. This is what you will attach your embroidery hoops to. You will need to loosen this screw to adjust this part of the bar. Make sure that this part of the bar lines up with these holes. When you select a new hoop on your screen, you may have to adjust this bar to fit the hoop. To do this, with the U shape on the right-hand side, you will insert this part of the hoop onto the bar. You will loosen these 2 screws and push the bar over to approximately where the hoop needs to be. You will then tighten these screws. Then remove the hoop entirely and make sure you are under the lip here on both sides. Until it clicks into place with the pegs facing up. To enter the stitch out mode of your Platinum MN 1000, select the unlocked icon on the bottom left hand of your screen, then press OK. Once you have done this, you will see that it is now a locked icon on the bottom left. Above that will be a waiting icon, and the Start Stop button will now be green. Press the Start Stop to start your embroidery. When a thread breaks during your embroidery on the Platinum MN 1000, your machine will automatically stop, send you an audible alert, and the Start Stop button will flash red. Also, you will see a T-break icon on your screen. Select this to go back stitches. FL stands for float low. That will allow you to go stitch by stitch. Select this icon again to get FH. That will allow you to skip multiple stitches at once. Select this icon again to switch between thread colors. On the top right-hand side of your screen, you will see a light button. Press this to turn the light by the needles on or off. When your embroidery is finished, remove the hoop by placing your thumbs on the tabs and press up with your fingers from the bottom, then slide the hoop out.